This tutorial review will show you how to clone yourself on CapCut. So first of all, open your CapCut and create a new project. Select your video. Once you selected the video, tap on overlay, add overlay. Select your another video, or you can select the same one. Once you add it, make sure to make the video equal to the background. And now select the overlay video and remove it a little bit. And now you have to remove background of the overlay video. So here tap on cutout, tap on remove background, and your overlay video background will be removed. And now we can see the final result. So this is how we can clone yourself on a phone with CapCut. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.